How to add clickable links to Canva. I am going to tell you how to add clickable links to Canva. First, open your design and select the text, image, or element you want to hyperlink. Then look at the top toolbar and click the link button. A box will pop up. Paste or type your URL and then press enter. Now, here's the important part. The link will only be clickable when you download the design as a PDF. If you want it as a PNG or JPEG, the link won't work. This is perfect for interactive PDFs like portfolio, presentations, or digital business cards. You can also edit or remove the link anytime by clicking the same link button. Once your design is ready, download it, open the PDF, and test the links to make sure that they properly work.